beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I thought I would hop on today and share a winged eyeliner tutorial for hooded eyes beginners. Many of you have probably seen, if it's your first time here, then you might not have seen, but my eyes are so hooded. And not only are they hooded, but they're droopy. I guess they're aging, and so there's a lot going on with my hooding. And so with that being said, I wanted to share this how to create a winged eyeliner look if you do have hooded eyes. And I'm going to share lots of tips and tricks for beginners. So if you're looking for hooded eyes makeup, then you came to the right place. I'm going to be sharing lots more tips and tricks in the future, so I hope you'll subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. And so without further ado, let's just dive right into this winged eyeliner tutorial. So as you can see, my eyes are extremely hooded. This is the hooding right here that sits on my lashes. If you're like me, I have a lot of hooding going on, but we can work with it and make all different kinds of looks, so there's no stopping us. So for today's winged eyeliner look, what you want to do is start by prepping your eyes with a concealer, and this is going to work as our primer and our base for our eyeshadow, and then we're going to apply the eyeliner. So I'm just going to take some concealer and just put it on the lid, and you just want to go ahead and blend that out. So now you're going to want to take some translucent powder and set that concealer. Taking a fluffy eyeshadow type brush, you're just going to dip right into a translucent powder of your choice, and tapping off the excess, just tap that right on top of the concealer that we just put down. Now, when you're creating a winged eyeliner look, generally you like to keep the rest of the eye on the neutral side and let the winged liner be the standout. So what we're going to do is just place a pretty neutral shade in the crease area. So you want to use a matte shade that is pretty much just a few shades deeper than your natural skin tone. So I'm just going to reach into a shade like this. This is on the lighter side, and I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just going to dip right into that shade. This is the Maybelline palette called Nudes of New York. And again, we're going to just dip in and tap off the excess. And then we want to place this in the crease area and just wiggle that matte shadow back and forth. This is going to disguise the hooding and make your eyes look bigger and much more wide awake. And you're putting the matte shade right above, just slightly above your crease. So here is my crease, and then I'm just putting it slightly above. And what you want to do is even look straight on. I'm just looking on into my hand mirror here, looking straight ahead. I can see where my eye is creasing, and I'm just placing this matte shade right into that crease area. And then I'll just put some on the lower lash area just to balance out the eye. So now that we've gotten a transition shade, and so we can move into the winged liner now. So what you want to do is take a cream gel liner. This one from Morphe is absolutely amazing. It is my #1 favorite. And then you want to take a very, very slim detailing brush like this Morphe 250 brush. You just want to dip into the gel and swirl your brush right into the product. And then just go ahead and wipe off any extra right on the lid and on the rim of the jar. And then I'm just wiping off the excess so we can get a really nice, firm, sharp point to our brush with the product on it. So I'm looking straight ahead right into my mirror here. You just want to take your brush and just a few lashes inward from your last lash on your eyes. You just want to start very gently flicking upwards. And as you can see, the hooding makes a kind of gap, and then you can just go ahead and fill that in. I'm going to go ahead and dip again into my gel liner, wiping off the excess on the rim of the bottle, and we're going to just go in with our next step in the winged liner. So now I'm just reinforcing and just filling in anywhere, and then you just want to very, very gently place this gel liner along your lashes, but we're not going to build that up. The only place that's built up is on the outer portion of your eye. For the rest of the eye, you just want to keep the gel liner as close to the lashes as possible. And just very, very gently dragging that cream gel liner inwards towards your tear duct area. And then you can also even bring it inwards a little bit on the bottom if you want. But there you go, it is that easy. The number one secret to a winged eyeliner for hooded eyes is to use the cream gel liner and to use a good one like the Morphe one. I have tried other ones and the Morphe really is the best. Now, if you had tried to do this with a traditional liquid liner, a pen liquid liner, many times what happens is it doesn't dry fast enough. It winds up transferring all over your eye, getting into the hooding. But because this is such a great product for Morphe, you're able to create the winged liner easy and effortlessly. So this winged liner now, because we use the gel product, will stay in place. It's not going to transfer. It's not going to wind up getting all over your eye. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. So now you want to go ahead and apply your mascara. If you'd like and if you feel comfortable, you can apply a pair of wispy lashes. I like to do this myself, only I apply the lashes, I cut them in half and only apply them to the outer portion of your eye. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and if you feel comfortable, then you can follow along and do that as well. And then you want to go ahead and apply another coat of mascara just to marry the faux and your natural lashes together. So beauties, this is the finished look. I hope these hooded eyes makeup tips and tricks help today. I hope they help you create that winged liner look, and I would love to see your guys' look, so definitely tag me in any looks that you create, any of your hooded eyes winged liner looks. I would love to see, so definitely go ahead and tag me on Instagram, and I will be reposting as many of you beauties as I can. I love seeing your looks, so I can't wait to see what you beauties create. So I had so much fun filming today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. So I hope you're all doing good. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.